Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. When your Cox Wi-Fi gateway starts showing a solid red blinking light, it usually means the router is unable to establish a proper internet connection. This can instantly cut off your access to Wi-Fi, leaving all your devices disconnected and causing frustration, especially if everything was working fine before. The red indicator is essentially the router signaling that something is wrong with either the signal coming in, the internal system, or the connection setup itself. While it may look like a serious issue, most of the time it's caused by temporary network interruptions, loose cables, or a simple system glitch. The important thing is to approach it step by step so you can restore the connection without unnecessary troubleshooting. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix the Cox router blinking red light problem. Try these. Step 1. Unplug the router from power and disconnect all cables. Step 2. Wait for a short period to allow a full reset. Step 3. Reconnect the coax and Ethernet cables securely. Step 4. Plug the router back into power and turn it on. Step 5. Wait for the router to reconnect to the network signal. Step 6. Check the light status and confirm the internet is restored.